Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you'll know when I put new videos out. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm always happy to see you back. So this is my daily update vlog. I actually woke up just a little bit ago and managed to get in my chair. Today's not a good day with the nausea. I just don't feel great. Luckily, I just have some paperwork things that I have to do. So I think today I'm going to take it easy. I know my aide comes around 4 o'clock to help me get a shower. For those who missed the live show the other night, my washing machine broke, so it doesn't spin anymore. It washes the clothes fine, but it just doesn't spin the water out of the clothes. So yesterday when my aide was here, she hung the clothes up in the sunroom, and I do have a clothesline out in my porch where the washer and dryer is, so she hung everything but the towels up on the line, and then she reran the towels for me. So I will check that here in a little bit when I feel up to doing the steps. But yeah, today I just am really tired and have an upset stomach, so I think when I do my Kroger order, I'm gonna get a pack of diet ginger ale to help with the nausea. And when my nurse comes out, I will let her know about that and see if she can get some kind of prescription to help with that. I know in the hospital they gave me Zofran and that worked really well, but that, I don't know if it comes in pill form in the hospital. It came as a shot that they did through the IV, so I'm not sure if I can get it in pill form or not, but I will ask. So that's it for right now. I'm just kind of hanging out today. I am going to get my rotisserie chicken picked and do my chicken and biscuit meal. So I think I may include that video in this, because there's, other than just feeling sick, there's not much to add. One of my subscribers did set up an online meal train, so from this point on I will be linking that down below in the description box. You can donate cash, you can donate a Kroger gift card, or you can also do like DoorDash certificates, so that way on days that I don't feel well, I can just have a meal delivered to the house, which will help out a lot. So I will be linking that down below, and just know that any donation is very much appreciative and will help out a lot. So I will talk to you guys in a little bit whenever I'm ready to fix a meal, whether it might be lunch, it might be dinner, so we'll see how things go. So I'll talk to you later. Hello again, everyone. It's now later in the afternoon. My aide actually just left a little bit ago. I got my shower for today. My hair's all nice and clean. She brought my laundry in for me. We had to hang it out on the line for a little bit. It's a little crispy, but at least I got them dry. For those who weren't at last night's live show, my washing machine quit spinning the other day, so I think the belt on it broke. But my clothes are at least clean and in. I am cleaned up, and I always feel better after a shower, and my hair is all nice and shiny and doesn't scare anybody. So that's always a good thing. I did want to take a moment and explain what the meal train is that has been set up for me. So, if you would like to donate a meal, the meal train is basically cash donations unless you live close enough to my area that you would like to drop off an actual meal. But the donations is set up, even though I'm not the one who set up the website, it is set up so if you want to donate money toward a meal, it will go directly into my account. I'm keeping careful track. Anything that has been donated will get written down so that I know how much money I have to spend on meals and not take away from my regular bill money. So I will be keeping close track. I have had a couple donations already, so thank you for that. That means so much to me. You just have no idea. You can donate Kroger gift cards if you would like to do that. You can just use my email address, and they send those electronically, so I'm able to use those without going to the bank or worrying about having anything deposited into my checking account. They will just send the gift certificate through email, and I will be able to utilize that whenever I want. So Kroger gift cards do really help a lot. I actually placed an order to be delivered tomorrow, so you can watch for that Kroger haul. I've been having a lot of trouble today with an upset stomach. I have a feeling probably from the pain medicine. So I ordered things. Things like I got some. Well, I'll show you in the haul tomorrow. I'm not gonna go over that list now, but I was able to get things to help with an upset stomach, and hopefully that will help when it gets here. So yes, you can do Kroger gift cards using my email address, which is always linked in the description box. You can use the meal train link, which will always be linked down below in the description box. And I'm also going to be working on setting up a new Give Send Go link, because the other link was for Hurricane Ian damage, and now I've moved into a totally different direction. And sorry about that, I didn't realize I was turned sideways. And I do want people to know that money donated now will go to my expenses for hospice care. So I did find out that a lot of my long-term maintenance medicines I will have to pay out of pocket for. So that's the kind of expenses I will be using the Give Send Go donations for. I am trying to get it set up to do lab work to at least check my calcium level. I don't think they cover the calcitriol. I'm not sure. They were going to send me a link on what was covered and what wasn't. The calcitriol I think I can afford out of pocket. I don't think it's that expensive, but donations from the Give Send Go link would absolutely be used for those out-of-pocket expenses. I'm going Friday again to the Social Security office. They are saying they did not get a medical release statement signed from me. I know I signed at least 2 of those forms. I don't know what they're doing with them, but I know that I signed and dated them and sent those forms in. So I am going to the office with the letter that they sent me saying what form it was that I needed so that we can get this done. As far as I know, I think this form is the only thing that they're waiting on. So we will get that done Friday. So yeah, it will be a relief to get this taken care of and out of the way. So keep praying for that. So hopefully there won't be any more hiccups. I was going to cook supper tonight, but all day long I've just dealt with this nausea at this point. Even the thought of cooking something is not setting well. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do for supper. I might just do some scrambled eggs and toast, or let's see, I think I have some tater tots in the freezer I could throw in the air fryer and just do some tater tots. I also have actually I think I might do a packet of the instant potatoes that my sister brought out to me last week, because sometimes if my stomach is really upset like it is now, just the instant potatoes will really help. So I actually think I'm just going to do that just so I can have something in my stomach. So, but I think that's really about all I have for today. So yeah, I just haven't felt good. I've taken it easy. My nurse came out today, so she checked me all over. Luckily, my blood pressure is down. It has been high the last few days, but right now it's normal. She did notice that my right leg was a little more. Oh, excuse me. Sorry about that, guys. My phone rang. That was actually one of the hospice people calling to check on me. So we are working on getting things together. I'm waiting on them to send me my do not resuscitate form. I signed that last week, so I'm just waiting on the doctor to sign it and get it back to me. I did talk to them today about my calcium levels and checking with the calcium, so they think that is tied into the renal disease, so they're trying to work it out so we can at least keep my calcium level monitored, even if they don't do anything to actually treat the calcium level when it drops. At least I will feel better knowing what the calcium level is, and days that I would be able to get out and drive. If I know my calcium level is low, I absolutely would not get behind the wheel of a car to go anywhere, no matter how badly I wanted to. So keep your fingers crossed. Keep praying that they will at least be able to do lab work to check the calcium level, just for my own peace of mind, if nothing else. So we're getting that taken care of. They are ordering the emergency morphine for me in case the pain would get to where the oxycodone isn't working right now. The oxycodone is keeping me pain-free, so I take that. It says I can take it up to 4 times a day, every 4 hours. But I'm not taking it that much yet. I take it when I get up in the morning and when I go to bed, and then later in the afternoon, if I feel like it's starting to wear off and I need something, I will take another one, but usually 2 of them seems to be like it's a good balance and keeping that in my system. So right now my pain level is pretty manageable. I have decided I am not taking the anxiety pill just yet. The other day when I made that first video when I was still in bed and was so tired and so weak and couldn't move, I think it was that pill, because I had taken that the night before right at bedtime, and it took almost that entire next day before I felt like I could move. It was not good. So I talked to the nurse, and she said as long as my blood pressure was stable and wasn't going high, and they did give me a pill for days that my blood pressure is through the roof to help bring it back down. If that pill doesn't work, then I can take the anxiety pill. But if my blood pressure's good and I'm feeling well and not stressed out over pain or anything like that, she said I didn't have to take that. Because she did say that yes, that pill will really knock you out. So I'm not quite ready for the anxiety pill just yet. I will take it if I have to have it, but as long as I'm doing okay, I'm not going to waste my life sleeping because of an anxiety pill. We are keeping track of my right leg. Today it was a little bit swollen. I've kept the air boot off of it today. I actually am walking really well without it around the house. If I go out anywhere like I am on Friday, I will still have the boot on my foot to protect it while I'm out walking around. But if I'm home and walking and my foot starts hurting me, I can sit down. So I'm okay with not having the air boot on when I'm at home. But if I have to like go up and down the steps for laundry, I'll make sure that I have that boot on to protect my heel. So I'm not going to take any chances with that. So I think that's all of the updates I have for you today. So far I'm doing okay. So just keep the prayers coming. Feel free to utilize that meal train link. And I did add some stuff on to my Amazon wish list. If you would like to send something to me, feel free to use that. I just put like some puzzle books and coloring books, some new like colored pencils and crayons, and some sweet treats. I did some hard candies because I have noticed my mouth is drying out a lot. So my favorite is the caramel apple suckers. I really like those a lot, and so I put that on there, and like I said, some hard candies for my dry mouth. So I guess that's it for now. So stay tuned tomorrow. I'll be showing you my Kroger haul. Hopefully the medication for the nausea will get here so that I can get rid of that, and then I'll be feeling pretty good. So I will end this update by saying be safe, be happy, be blessed, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.